creative lovers. Hope you're fine, doing well. In this video, I'm sharing with you lots of amazing design you can easily apply your home to decor. Every home has a corner filled with forgotten things, old jar with missing light, broken basket, empty tin can, worn out wooden pieces, fabric scraps, glass bottles, cardboards, or items we once loved but now call junk. But what if I tell you the junk is not waste, it's a hidden treasure waiting to the transform? Today's story is not just about home decor, it's about creativity, memories, sustainability, and turning ordinary waste into something truly beautiful. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey of transforming old junk into useful household items and stunning home decoration. The story begins once upon a time there was a home just like your home, our and mine. Simple, warm, full of memories. One small storage room, there were boxes, stocks. Inside those boxes were old glass jars, rusty tin can, broken trays, unused wooden planks, leftover fabric, and cardboard pieces. Everyone thought they was useful. Everyone said throw them away. But one day someone looked at them differently. Instead of seeing waste, they saw possibilities. Why turn old junk into home decor? Because every recycled item saves money, reduces waste, protects the environment, and adds a personal handmade touch to your home. When you create something with your own hand, it's not just decor, it's become a story piece. Transform one glass jar into elegant storage. Let's start. Kitchen storage, bathroom organizer, candle holder, flower vases. There's lots of ideas. A simple cut of points, some jute rope wrap around the neck, a lace ribbon tied gently, and suddenly the old jar look like something straight out of a decor stone. When sunlight hits the glass, it sparkles, and you realize beauty does not need to be expensive. Now let's talk about steam cans. Yes, the cans that once held food, clean them, smooth the edges, wrap them with fabric, paper, or jute. They become pen holder, makeup organizer, desk decor. Grouped together on a shelf, they tell a story of creativity and care. What once looked rough and dull now feel warm and stylish. Transform the old fabric into cozy home accent. Every home has leftover fabric, curtains that are too old, clothes that no longer fit. A fabric holds memories. From those scarves you can create cushion cover, table runner, wall hanging, decorating boards and flowers. Each stitch carries emotion, each pattern adds comfort, and suddenly your home feels more alive. Modern waste into rustic beauty, broken furniture, piece old wooden crates, unused planks. Instead of burning up, throwing them away, they can become wall shelves, key holder, photo frames, candle stand. With a little standing points. The wood reveal the natural charm, rustic, warm, timeless. Wood decor does not just decorate a home; it gives its soul. Cardboard into creative decor.